the world, good evening! Drama, comedy, public affairs, news, variety game show, at iba pang kategorya na bumubuo sa 41 trophies ang ipamimigay ng PMPC Star Awards Incorporated ngayong gabi.
Yes, magandang gabi at lubos ang aming pasasalamat na kayo ay nakasama namin dito ngayon. Magkakalaman rin kung ano ang mga umangat na talk, magazine, children, and educational shows. Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng inaasam na marami na star trophies?
Yeah, kasi ngayong gabi ay bibigyan ng parangal ang dalawang powerful tandem sa telebisyon. Bukod dyan, we will also pay tribute also sa isang respetadong broadcaster at idagdag pa rin natin ang 4 na natatanging personalidad na nakasungkit sa Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award sa edisyong ito.
Makakasama rin natin para mag-host mamaya ang King of Talk at ang Concert Queen.
O madami pa tayong idadagdag dyan dahil idadagdag pa natin dyan ang mga nagpaunlak sa atin para magbigay ng special numbers. Kasama pa ang mga bituin na magsasama-sama para maging mas makinang pa ang ating pagtitipon ngayong gabi.
Hopefully includes us, no? But
Yeah.
tonight, we honor the best of Philippine television. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 37 Star Awards for television. Here we go. So, to all the people right here, sit back, relax, and enjoy the whole program. We shall be back with our first set of awards. With the Best Children's Show. Alright, and the star for Best Children's Show goes to... Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations. Best Children's Show is... Talent Academy IBC 13. Ewan Mikael, the right one, GMA 7.
Sorry po. Hello po. Hello po. Buti na lang meron ako nakahandang speech. Okay. Hello po, ako po si Ewan Mikael. Marami-rami na din po ako naging pangalan sa bawat karakter ko kung nagampanan. Pero, dahil po doon, nagpapasalamat po ako sa PMPC sa parangal na ito sa pagkilala nila kay Dex and Seth ng The Right One. Maraming salamat po. Hindi pa yun tapos. Meron pa. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Sparkle at GMA Network family ko po. At Public Affairs family sa patuloy po nilang pagtitiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Yun lang.
Magpiyok pa.
Bye-bye po.
Maraming salamat, Ewan, who is currently 52 years old. Thank you so much. And thank you to our PMPC member, Dominic Graham, for presenting the award.
Next naman, Kuya Robs, the star for Best Morning Show Host, show goes to... Unang Hirit, GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Beth Helena.
Good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa PNTC Star Awards for Television. Kung napansin niyo po pagkatapos ng mga bata, kami na po agad na morning show. Kasi tulad po nila, maaga din po kami dapat natutulog. Pero yun po, maraming salamat po. Sa panahon po ngayon, mahirap na bumuo ng programa sa telebisyon. Pero nandito po tayong lahat para patuloy na gumawa ng mga makabuluhang storya at programa. Kaya po, masa po kayo na sa unang hiring. Patuloy po kami gigising ng maaga at maghahatid ng serbisyo, balita at impormasyon sa bawat umaga. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa PMPC para sa karangalan ito. Of course, this award is dedicated to all the loyal, unang hirit viewers na pinatutuloy po kami sa kanilang mga tahanan. Araw-araw, rain or shine, especially pag rain dahil nag-aabang po sila kung masususpindi ba ang klase. Pinatutuloy po kami sa kanilang mga tahanan for the past 25 years. Of course, this is also dedicated to all the hardworking men and women of Unang Hirit, our Unang Hirit family na naghahatid po sa inyo ng serbisyo at saya araw-araw para sa lahat po ng ating mga kapuso. Again, kaya na sinabi po ni Janela, this will even inspire us to wake up even earlier, work even harder, and serve with even greater hearts. Muli po PMPC, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Magbuhay po kayong lahat at magandang gabi po.
Naku, maraming salamat po. Yes, nandito din pala Bubblegum family ko, pero maraming salamat po for this recognition. Gaya nga po ng sabi ni Ms. Maris, we're just really happy po to bring you the news. And of course, kami ni Sean, more of sa adventures po kami sa unang hirit. So aside from that, ayun po, we also are here to serve the fun for all of you guys. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you PMPC. Dadagdag lang din ako. Maraming salamat. 25 years na nga kami and more to come. Sana po tuloy-tuloy po tayo magsama tuwing umaga. Kaya alis na po kami kasi maaga rin po yung call time namin. Bilang unang hirit ko. Maraming salamat po.
Again, congratulations! Unang hirit. Maaga pa sila bukas. But please, don't go just yet because we're here to announce the star for Best Morning Show host. Congratulations! Unang hirit, GMA 7! Arnold Clavio, Suzy Entrada, Abrera, Lynn, Chining Pascuan, Susan Enriquez, Ivan, Mayrina, Marizomali, Mateo Garicelli, Shaira Diaz, Anjo Peritiera, Cheska Fausto, Sean Lucas, Shuvi Entrada, J.R. Royal, and Kaloy P. Kunko. Congratulations!
Muli po, maraming salamat. Sana po wag po kayo masasawa sa unang hirit. Maraming po salamat PMPC Star Award.
Yes, maraming salamat din po dito sa recognition again as a Best Morning Show host. Kauna-unahang TV award ko po ito, kaya this is something really memorable. Maraming salamat po.
Again, congratulations! Unang hirit, 25 years. And thank you so much, BMPC member Beth Helena, for presenting the award.
And next, the star fam goes to the Adam Araulio Specials, GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Archie Liao.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan po ni Atom Arroyo at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng The Atom Arroyo Specials, I have with me si Chel, producer po namin. Maraming salamat po PMPC for choosing us. And asahan niyo po na patuloy kami gagawa ng makabuluhang dokumentaryo para sa mga Pilipino.
Maraming salamat po sa PMPC. Rest assured po, we will continue to produce documentaries na magaganda po para sa ating mga Pilipino in spirit of public service. Salamat po.
At maraming salamat. Congratulations! This time, let's have, and it goes to Eyewitness GMA 7, Howie Severino, Atom Araulio, Matt Gonzalez, Carl David, John Consulta, and Sandra Aguinaldo.
Takot ka puso!
Presenting the award is PMPC member Archie Liao.
maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC Star Awards sa parangal na ito. Alam niyo po, this year is our 26th year. We are probably the longest running public affairs program in the Philippines. At alay po namin ito sa lahat po ng mga manonood na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Eyewitness. Pero higit sa lahat, ito po ay alay namin sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino na pinagkakatiwalaan po kami sa kanilang mga storya. Makakaasa po kayo na mananatili kaming tapat sa aming sinumpaan sa taong bayan.
Sa ngalan po ng aming mga kasamang host, Ma'am Gonzales, Atom Orolio, at Howie Severino, taos puso kong nagpapasalamat po sa PMPC Star Awards sa parangal pong ito na talaga namang nagbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon para magpatuloy na maghanap ng mga kwento na may kabuluhan at magbibigay ng boses sa mga taong hindi naririnig at tinig. Kaya maraming salamat po at alay din po namin ito sa aming mga talagang viewers na tumututok sa mga dokumentaryo ng Eyewitness at sa mga tao na nasa likod ng camera na nagpapagod para mag-produce ng mga world-class na mga dokumentaryo. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay po tayo lahat. Gandang gabi po.
Thank you, PMPC, for recognizing our work. Hindi po birong gumawa ng docu on a weekly basis. So, gusto ko lang din i-acknowledge sina Cara, sina John na nasa field, nag-shoot sa bundok, sa mga
Lifestyle/travel show. And the star goes to... Thank you. Pinas Sarap, GMA 7. Congratulations. Presenting the award is PMPC member Alan Sancon.
Maraming salamat po mga kapuso. Kasama ko po dito ang aming researcher na si Rovic. Sila po yung mga dahilan kung bakit po lagi po akong pinalulusong sa kung saan-saan. Promise ko po sa inyo, sa mga susunod na episode, Rovic, handa ka na bang lumusong din? Itataob na natin yung bangka ng mga researcher. Joke lang po. Pero seriously, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ninyo sa aming programang Pinasarap. Ang layunin po namin ay lalo pang palaganapin at i-popularize at magkaroon tayo ng pride sa ating kultura, sa ating pagkain at sa ating kinagisnan. Maraming salamat po. Sana makasama namin kayo tuwing Sabado sa kwentuhan at salo-salo. Salamat po!
Thank you very much. Congratulations again. But let's proceed. The star for Best Lifestyle Show Host goes to Cara David, Pinasarap, GMA 7.
Congratulations po din.
Naku, maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards. Ako po ay host lamang po sa Pinasarap, pero ang produkto po ng aming programa ay alay po namin sa lahat po ng cameraman, lahat ng segment producers, researchers, ang aming program manager, executive producer, lahat ng bumubuo ng programang ito. At higit sa lahat po ng mga Pilipino na pinapasok kami sa inyong mga tahanan at pinatikim kami ng inyong masasarap na pagkain. Hanggang sa susunod na lusong, sama-sama po tayo sa Pinasarap. Maraming salamat po sa parangal na ito.
Maraming salamat and congratulations po ulit, Ms. Cara. And for the next award, the star for Best Magazine Show goes to... Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho, GMA 7. Congratulations po, KMJS. Presenting the award is PMPC member Temi Basit.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. In behalf of the staff of Kapuso Mo, Jessica Soho, mula po sa researcher hanggang producers, editors, and cameramen po namin. Maraming salamat po PMPC. And maraming salamat din po sa mga manonood dahil patuloy niyo po kaming naging parte ng inyong Sunday viewing habit. And asahan niyo po na patuloy po kaming lilipad ang aming team para maghatid ng makabuluhang kwento ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po muli.
And next, the star for Best Magazine Show Host goes to Corina Sanchez, rated Korea GTV A to Z. Presenting the award is PMPC member Timmy Basil with Aura Beauty and Wellness CEO and President, Ms. Benelin Amigo Molina.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po PMPC Star Awards sa ngalan po ni Miss Corina Sanchez Rojas, ang ating kaibigan, kabalitaan at kakampi na sa loob ng 4 na dekada ay walang bahid sa pagtulong at pagpapatuloy ng pagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat Pilipino.
Kami pong lahat ay nasa likuran ni Ma'am Corina Sanchez. Tandaan, hindi namin kayo iwan dahil sa aming mga puso, kayo ang #1. Muli, maraming salamat po sa PMPC Star Awards.
Congratulations, Emoji Nation TV5. Congratulations, Emoji. May pagkapaglaro ako dito. Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Austria.
Ding Dong Dantes, Family Feud GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Austria.
Sa inyong harapan ngayon ay hindi si Ding Dong, kundi si Sally Di Kepo, creative consultant ng Family Feud. Pero meron po siyang pinadalang mensahe para sa PMPC. Pasensya na raw po hindi siya makakarating dahil meron silang family event ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC sa pagkilalang ito. Right now, we are celebrating our 800th episode. And sabi niya, never did I imagine that a show this fun, especially with me as its host, would last this long. As I've always said, accepting this role was something that made me feel very insecure at first. But I am forever grateful to GMA for trusting me and giving me this chance. That's why to PMPC, please know how important this recognition is for me. Sabi pa niya, sometimes we doubt ourselves, sometimes we second guess, but tonight because of you, our friends in PMPC, I am reminded that maybe we really are doing something great. And because this Family Feud, here's to more top answers and to resolving more family feuds together on Philippine television and online. Mabuhay kayong lahat, maraming salamat po.
Thank you and congratulations. Now moving forward.
Ipapakrimate ko rin to, Charis. At special din tong award na to dahil ayoko i-preempt. I-preempt ko na dahil kasama kong mananalo ang isang matalikong kaibigan na tatawagin ng susunod. Maraming salamat sa PMPC.
Kaya naman pala siya, Best Comedy Actor.
Maraming salamat.
Sulit na sulit. Congrats. Brilliant.
At meron din siyang sinabi ngayon na importante. Alam niyo po, hindi madali maging komedyante sa mga araw na ito. You know, I remember when, who was this comedian? Joan Rivers was still alive. She used to complain dahil nahihirapan na raw sila magkomedya dahil sa daming iniiwasan. You make a joke about this sector, you're politically incorrect. Hindi ka pwede magbiro tungkol dito, you're against animal rights. Hindi ka pwede magbiro dito because you're anti-something. So, for Paolo and the rest of the comedians today, mabuhay kayo because it is not an easy time for comedy.
It is a tough job, actually.
It is.
No matter what generation, di ba? Yan ang pinakamahirap gawin, magpatawa. But we need to laugh. We need to laugh.
Oh yeah?
Moving on. And this now for the star for Best Comedy Actress. And it goes to... Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Treasurer John Fontanilla.
Sandali lamang, Best Comedy Actress.
Charis Solomon.
Charis Solomon!
Miss
comedy and TV now. Pero lalaban tayo kasi kami po hindi na namin tinitignan kung ano yung makukuha namin. We just work because we love our jobs. We work for our families. Makes us happy to make people happy. And that's what we need right now in the world. Una sa lahat, gusto ko po pasalamatan sa si Lord and PMPC. Maraming salamat po. Ito dyan, siya po nakadiscover sa akin. Siya pa ang unang-una kong ina sa showbiz. Hindi ko po yan makakalimutan. And Tatay Romel Gacho, na nagpumilit po sa akin sa bubble gum kasi ayaw po nila sa akin. Dati. Lalo na si Direk Cosme. Pero ngayon, love na niya ako. Si Direk Oro, si Malangit Nawa, sila po nagturo sa akin ng tinatawag na situational comedy. And syempre, nandyan din ang number one mentor ko, basher at critic, si Kuya Bitoy, and syempre si Contis. Ayan, talagang hindi sila madamot sa kanilang creative juices. Hindi ko lang alam yung sinasabi ko. Siyempre, salamat po sa GMA family, sa Sparkle family, Bubblegum family, para sa inyo to. Happy 30 years Bubblegum. And my Pepito and Your Honor family. And siyempre, ang pinaka-love kong family, Vincent and my kids, ang mga superpowers ko. So, thank you so much again, PMPC. Mabuhay po ang telebisyong Pilipino. Mabuhay po kayo, PMPC. Thank you so much.
Jack, congratulations. You have to keep this. And be proud because you're brilliant. Kapahusay po niyan. Palakpakan po natin, Charisse Solomon. Mga dekalibreng drama programs naman, ang bibigyan natin ng pagkilala at parangal sa pagbabalik.
Pinag-iisipan talaga ang konsepto ng mga programang ito. Mula research, pre-pod, pre-prod, hanggang sa editing. Mas pinagaganda at ginagawang mas makabuluhan ang mga palabas sa telebisyon. Iba talaga paggawang Pinoy, yan ang sinasabi nila, di ba? From concept to finished product. They really deliver the best.
Tama ka naman dyan, like they already announced winners tonight, ang mga nagsipanalo para sa drama category ay naihayag na rin itong mga nagdaang araw. And we are here to officially announce our Star Trophy winners for this year. The star for Best Daytime Drama Series goes to Best Daytime Drama Series.
Abot kamay ang pangarap, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President Melba Lianera. Si Sanity is accepting the
Si
award.
Sanity pala, congrats.
Ay po, sa ngalan po ng Drama Department ng GMA Entertainment Group, tinatagap ko po itong award na ito para sa abot kamay na pangarap. Thank you.
Sen, ito iyo. Balingkititang katulad ni Jillian Ward.
Makakarating.
Maraming salamat, Sen.
Congrats again. And now the star for Best Miniseries goes to... Presenting the award is PMPC member Joey Sarmiento. Best Miniseries is Walang Matigas na Pulis sa Matinik na Misis, GMA 7. To accept the award.
I think, Sen, you have come back. You have to
Yes,
come back to the
Sen.
stage.
Nagustuhan daw nila yung speech mo, bumalik ka.
Abay, sa ngalan po ng Tolome, maraming salamat po, PMPC.
Sanity K is one of the most loved people in the industry.
Yes, oo naman. Lahat friendly, Sen.
Diyan lang muna daw. Namnamin mo ang sandali, Sen, bilang representative.
Yes.
kwentuhan mo kayo ni Joey. Di ba?
Tayo, dito.
And the star goes to Best Drama Anthology, Pibay.
Magpakailanman, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bakut. Mildred?
Senator, ikaw pa rin. You are the winner for tonight. How's that?
No, but Sen talaga is part of Magpakailanman.
Yes. Ito talaga sa amin, ako po ang head writer na Magpakailanman. Minana ko po ito kay Jake Tordesillas. Kaya sa ngalan po ng GMA Network, kay Tita Mel Chanco, sa bumubuo po ng Magpakailanman, 23 years na po ang Magpakailanman this year. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa PMPC dahil sa patuloy nilang pagkilala sa aming programa ngayon, bukas at Magpakailanman.
Maraming salamat. Ikaw, Pipay, halimbawa, gawing
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayong taon, pinagdiriwang natin ang mga natatanging individual na nagbibigay liwanag at inspirasyon sa mundo ng telebisyon. Sa loob ng ilang dekada, naging bahagi siya ng ating tahanan. Nagdadala ng mga balita, impormasyon at inspirasyon.
To present the Abing Fernando Lifetime Achievement.
Include Tito Alquin, Tito Dolphy, Tito Vic and Joey, Pepe Pimentel, Inday Badiday, Herman Moreno, Nora Honor, Vilma Santos, and many more. Upang ipakilala ang unang tatanggap ng ating Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong gabi, ay please welcome on stage isa sa mga natatanging icons ng Philippine entertainment industry, public servant, actress, host, guro. Isa rin sa mga Lifetime Achievement Awardees ng PMPC ang ginagalang nating si Binibining Boots Anson Roa.
To present the Abing Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat. Hindi ko sasabihin, Tito Boy, malaki ang tanda ko sa iyo. And of course, Pipay, talk about longevity. Ako, itong dalawang ito ay talaga pong hindi maaaring makalimutan natin sa industriya. Ang legacy po nila ay talaga pong ganun ka, great, ganun kalaki. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang ating susunod na awardee ay espesyal po sa akin. Hindi lamang po dahil sa kanyang galing, dahil sa kanyang longevity, ito talagang lasting ang talent. Kundi dahil at some point po ay naging pamangkin ko po siya. Medyo konti lang ang tanda ko sa kanya, pero kasi ang napangasawa po niya ay pamangkin ko na kaedad po ng aking panganay. And trivia ito, niligawan po niya ang aking pamangkin sa aming bahay. At kapag nagde-date po sila, ako po ang chaperone. And those were the times na ginagawa po namin yung Zoom Superman. Kaya sabi ko, Ariel, baka mapagkamalan tayo ang nagde-date. Anyway, it's so welcoming to have him in the family with my niece, Lydia Roa. Now, you know, ang ating pong awardee ay napaka-espesyal, sabi ko na, hindi lamang dahil sa kanyang talento. He's someone whose presence on our screens, both big and small, is not to be forgotten. Siguro po hindi nyo nakakalimutan yung mga shows niya kung saan he brought to the audience countless smiles, laughter, sometimes tears. Ang witty remarks po niya ay kilalang kilala. You haven't forgotten Ariel Contina at 12 o'clock high, kung saan pinatunayan po niya ang bilang host at komedyante. At hindi rin po niya, hindi rin natin makakalimutan ang kanyang mga memorable roles sa blockbuster films, katulad po ng Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo, at ang mga Kimi Dora series. Hanggang ngayon po, patuloy po siya nagbibigay sa inspirasyon. And he proves his talent is truly like that. service. And so for his invaluable contributions, his longevity, and his impact on Philippine television and film, we present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award to the one, the only, Ariel Ureta.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat PMPC, thank you. Boy, nagulat ako, si Pops ang galing pala mag-Tagalog. Naalala ko siya yung sasabi, Martin! Kaya
Marunong naman ako. Madami ako natutunan sa'yo.
Magaling. Maraming salamat PMPC at saka Tito Bud. Thank you. Hindi dahil sa matanda siya sa akin, no. Dahil napakasama ko yung pamangkin niya. Cradle Snatcher, alam niyo na. Etong award, maraming salamat. And I'm sorry, I have to correct something. Hindi po ako lumabas sa Stop, Look, Listen. Now, I don't blame you because wala pa sa inyo pinapanganak nung araw. It's 12 o'clock high muna kong palabas. Kasama ko si Tina Revilla. Stop, Look, Listen. Wala ako doon. It doesn't matter. You don't even know what Stop, Look, Listen is. That was at least 60 years ago. Maraming salamat, PMPC. Tsaka, natutuwa din ako, kita ko si Boy Abunda. Dahil, yan ang mga competition ko dati sa, sa pagiging host. Eh, nilagpas-lagpasan na ako eh. Maraming salamat at sana, marami pang mga bata ngayon na magbigay ng, service to the country for a long time. Ang feeling ko nito eh, pag meron kang achievement award eh, matanda ka na, which is true. But I'm glad to be alive, ha? It's a better option. So, from bottom of my heart and from my family, thank you. Maraming salamat PMPC for this. And thank you so much.
Congratulations again, Ariel Ureta. Di ba ang galing pa rin niya?
Hindi, siya talaga yung gold standard ng hosting. Pinanood talaga natin. Pero hindi ka talaga marunong mag-Tagalog na.
Award to a dance icon, my good friend, Jeline Eugenio.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry po, may katigo ko. Medyo maikli lang po. Okay. Thank you so much, PMPC, for this very prestigious award. I was told that I am the first to be given this special recognition with regards to dance in the music industry for television. I am so honored. Yes, it's been 4 decades that I have been a choreographer and 47 years in the industry. Thank you to all the television networks that I've worked with, but most especially to my mother channel, GMA7, working with them for 26 years. Thank you to all the stars that I've worked with, like our late Nora Honor, my Kumari Vilma Santos, Diamond Star Maricel Soriano, Loveliness Alma Moreno, and of course, to Marian Rivera, who even sang and danced to the song that I composed, Sabay-Sabay Tayo. And that was a blockbuster. Thank you so much, Yan Yan. Thank you. And to my discoverer, Mr. Ramon Chuanying of Via Records and now Universal Records, and to the late Belyatan. To Kuya Germs, who never stopped believing in me. Yes, Kuya Germs, pareho na tayong sa auto. Ayos ba? To all the dancers that I've worked with, first dance group of mine was the Wea Dancers, and then followed the SOP Dancers, and the rest is history. Yeah. To all the P-pop groups that I have created since 2010 up to the present, okay yan, go P-pop, and let's keep the music keep on rising, the P-pop music keep on rising. To my television manager, Mr. Rams David of Artist Circle is there. Thank you so much for taking care of me. To Boss Vic and Ma'am Veronique Corpus, thank you for the trust, respect, and love all these 16 years working with you under Viva Artist Agency. And most importantly, to my children, my family, my son, Direk Miggy Tanchanco, and my daughter, May Tonyohanyo. Diyan ko po nakukuha ang aking lakas at kabataan po. And to all the upcoming good choreographers, ito po masasabi ko, and dancers, keep dreaming. Keep creating your own original choreography and share it to the world. I mean, create your own original choreography. Okay? You see, the truth is, dancers are the unsung heroes of this industry. They are always the first to come to the studio and the last to go home. But without dancers in a production number, in any show, the show will not be really okay. And it's the dancers, and behind it is the choreographer. And lastly, please hear me, if they will hear me. On behalf of all the professional dancers, we appeal to our government to extend its support to our very talented dance groups nationwide. By sponsoring competitions all over the world, help them, fund them, so that they can show their skills to represent the Philippines to the world. And above all, I want to thank you, God, and Mama Mary for the gift of dance. At muli, ako po ay si Jeline Eugenio, isang mananayaw. And my bestie, dati po kami magkaaway nito. Kasi ako tenora, siya si Vilma. Thank you so much, BMPC.
All's well that ends well.
Sabi ko na sa iyo, di ba? Pagkakat ni...
So this is a moment, ayan. This is really a moment.
Alam mo, pagkakat ni Jeline, sabi ko, alam mo, Pipay, nung panahon nila, mga superstars yan eh, hindi mo pwedeng pagsamahin yan sa isang entablado.
Ayan. So pwedeng-pwede na ngayon. Ayan.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congrats again.
Congratulations. Nakakatawa, no?
Thank you.
But that is a message to young actors, to young dancers, to young choreographers. Hindi mo talaga alam, di ba? 20 years,
Yes,
30
diba?
years,
But tama yung sinabi ni Jeline. Eh.
Down
They
the road.
really, the dancers really work so hard. They look so good. But they spend hours and hours rehearsing.
That's right.
Diba? Totoo yan. At tama yun. Sila yung nauuna, sila yung nahuhuli. So, tama yun. Sana ma-recognize pa sila. At sana nga, supportahan ang ating
Tama po yan.
dancers.
Tama po yan. To all the dancers, maraming salamat. I used to do backup dancing before. Hi, Joe.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ngayong araw po ito, pinagmamalaki namin. Higit pa sa Itbulaga, marami po rin siyang pinamalalang iba't ibang programa mula sa talk shows hanggang sa dramas. At naging instrumento rin po siya sa pagtulong sa pag-usbong ng maraming nangungunang talento ngayon sa entertainment. Sa ngayon, sa panibagong yugto ng kanyang karera, lalong tumaas ang kanyang posisyon. Siya ay tinalaga bilang Acting General Manager ng People's Television Network or PTV4. Mga kaibigan, bigyan po natin ng malakas na palakpakan ang isang haligi ng industriya ng telebisyon at isa sa mga Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong taon, walang iba kundi si Miss Malu Showang Pagano.
To present the Ading Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award by PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernanda Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Balyanera, and Roldan Castro.
Good evening. Si Jeline Eugenio naka-cue card kasi napaka-80s niya pa. Di na uso ngayon ang cue card. Send na. Okay. Thank you PMPC for this recognition. Never in my wildest dream na tatanggap ako ng isang achievement award. Dati, Darling of the Press lang ako ng PMPC. Ngayon, Lifetime Achievement na. Sabi nga ni Joba Talbo. I would like to thank my family who's always been with me. Nakikibagay sa aking erratic schedule. And they've been very supportive of me. I love you, my family. I would also like to thank my mentors, Messrs. Tony Tuviera, Romy Halusos, and Mother Lily Monteverde. TVJ, who have seen me through the years and through everything that has shaped me into becoming the strong woman I am today. The OG EB staff, na mahal ako, and who are very supportive of me until now. Even though I'm no longer part of Itbulaga, I'd like to thank the PMPC again for recognizing my contributions to the show throughout my 41-year stay with Itbulaga. I'm proud to say that together with the EBOGs, I've been there from the very beginning. And I am deeply honored to have had a hand in bringing Itbulaga to where it is today, the longest running noontime show in the country. Needless to say, we managed to help bring change to millions of lives with our daily segments, entertain people, and made them forget their troubles, even just for 2.5 hours, 6 days a week. Wednesday Club, thank you for the friendship. And for this, all of this that I am enjoying now, I humbly give back all the glory and honor to Jesus, my Lord and Savior. Thank you, PMPC.
Congratulations, Tita Malu. Tita Malu kasi, nung nag-umpisa ako sa Itbulaga, baby pa ako nun eh. Kaya Tita Malu hanggang ngayon.
Congratulations, Malu.
Dalagita. Another well-deserved award. Ayan.
Joey, thank you. I love you. Isa sa mga talents ko si Joey.
Smile. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to Malu. And thank you, Joey.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. And you know why this is really important to me? Dahil sabi nga ni Malu, hindi niya inisip, hindi sa panaginip na makakatanggap siya ng award. Because, you know, people behind the scenes are just...
Good evening lahat. First of all, gusto ko po magpasalamat kay Lord. Kung hindi po dahil sa Kanya, wala naman po kami dito. To our families, sa walang sawang paggabay at pagsuporta at sa pagbubuhos ng pagmamahal sa amin. To our supporters na kahit kailan hindi kami iniwanan. And of course, to PMBC para po sa award na to. Hindi, para sa akin, actually para po sa amin, hindi lang to isang bagay. From now on, pag makikita ko to, magsisilbing reminder po to that we are doing good. At hindi po lahat nabibigyan ng atensyon o ng award para masabihan ka o para ma-remind ka na maganda ang ginagawa mo. So thank you to PMTC and I thank you for being with me. Yun po.
Gusto ko lang din po idagdag, itong award na to, sobrang laking bagay po sa amin. At hindi lang yun ang mas mahalaga ngayong gabi para sa amin. Yung mga narinig po namin bago kami umakyat ng entabladong to. Yung mga seniors po, yung mga kagalang-galang po natin, aktor, host, yung mga shows na nagagandahan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dahil pinakulay niyo po ang bawat buhay ng mamamayang Pilipino. At sa PMPC po na pinarangalan kami ngayon sa lahat po ng mga pamilyar na mukha ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito. Maraming salamat po. And yun, bibitbitin po namin to pag-uwi sa bahay at yung pagmamalaki po namin. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations!
Maraming salamat, Seth and Christine. Thank you.
Well, we are actually accepting on their behalfs the
Barda.
awards of Barbie and David. Amin na ba yan? Sige.
Maraming salamat.
Congratulations again to all recipients of this year's...
Seth at saka si Francine, I've been interviewing a lot of young people, pero sabi ko nga, nasa magandang kamay ang future ng industriya.
Diba? Ang dami pagkagaling.
Nakakatuwa talaga. Hindi ko alam nagkatuluyan na sila.
Nakatuluyan na sila?
Hindi ko alam.
Nakatuluyan na ba?
Talaga?
Hindi pa tayo sinasagot.
You know, it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing that there is that continuity. Diba? Napakahuhusay yan.
At ang galing because they're giving back, diba?
Dedicated to the craft.
That's right. Again, congratulations to our Lifetime Achievement Awards. Susunod is our sixth batch of Star Award winners for the News and Public Affairs category. All this and more sa pagbabalik ng 37th PNPC Star Award for TV.
Maraming salamat.
GMA 7, Corina Interviews, Net 25, Magandang Araw, Net 25, Magandang Buhay, TV5, A to Z, Moms, Niece on a Mission, All TV, Tony, All TV.
And those were the nominees for this category. Presenting the award is PMPC member Dominic Rea. Once again, Best Celebrity Talk Show is...
Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, GMA 7.
Of course.
Deserve yan, deserve.
Can we have the King of Talk right here on the stage?
Uncertain. Going into that space that you're not sure of, that continues to excite all of us. So, maraming salamat on behalf of Senator Alan and Senator Pia, at our lawyers, lahat ng bahagi ng aming munting programa sa GMA 7, kay Tani Rashid Boy Abunda, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat,
Grabe
Tito Boy.
talaga si Tito Boy, no? Pag
24 oras, GMA 7. And presenting the award is PMPC past president and chairman of the 37 Star Awards, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Thank you so much. Sandali lang, may kodigo nga ako. Minsan lang naman ako aakit ng stage para tumanggap ng award. Proxy pa, lulubusin ko na. Sa ngalan po ng lahat ng bumubuo ng 24 oras mula po sa aming mga boss, sa pamumuno ng aming Senior Vice President for GMA Integrated News and Head of Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, sa aming mga news anchor, si Tita Mel Tiaco, Vicky Morales, sa aming si Emil Sumangil, sa aming mga host, Ia Villania, Kim Atienza, Martina Vier, sa kapwa ko, field reporters, news producers, writers, researchers, editors, news desk, video journalist, ayan po sila. assistant video journalist, pasensya na marami po talagang bumubuo ng news, sa engineering team, and to all the men and the women behind 24 Oras, sa harap at likod ng camera. Sabi nga ni Tito Boy kanina, importante rin ang role ng mga nasa likod ng camera. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng PMPC. Ibinabalik po namin ang parangal na ito sa sambayanang Pilipino na araw-araw pong sumusubaybay at aming pinaglilingkuran. Ang award po na ito ay paalala ng aming mas malaking misyon, ang maghatid ng totoong impormasyon at makabuluhang impormasyon also, at ang mas malawak po naming paglilingkod sa bayan. Para po sa lahat ng aming mga kapuso at mga kasamahan sa industriya, at sa lahat ng patuloy na nagtitiwala sa 24 Oras, taos-puso kaming nagpapasalamat at lalong-lalo na po sa Diyos na nagbibigay sa amin ng lakas at gabay. Ayun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations. And now we move on to the star for Best Male Newscaster. And the nominees are...
For Best Male Newscaster, Anto Maraulio, State of the Nation, GTV. Julius Babaw, TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV. Angelique Lazo, Centro Balita, PTV. Vicky Morales, 24 Oras, GMA 7. Mel Gianco, 24 Oras, GMA 7. Bernadette Sembrano, TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV.
Well, this is one award Joshua Garcia has been waiting for the whole night. Hello, Joshua. The star for Best Female Newscaster goes to Miss Karen Davila, TV Patrol, A to Z, All TV.
Presenting the award is PMPC board member Blessy Silera.
And that she, along with the news team and ABS-CBN, this is a testament that she, along with ABS-CBN, will always be in the service of the Filipino. Thank you.
Thank you. Cooperation with VS Hotel Convention Center.
All right, tonight we don't...
On behalf of my good friend Herlene Hipon Budon, who is not feeling well right now, and of course, her manager is around, Mr. Wilbur Tolentino. Maraming salamat PMPC at magandang gabi po.
For
Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang malaking karangalan po na makatanggap po ngayong gabi na bilang isang social media influencer of the year. Bilang isang content creator, ginamit ko lang ang aking social media platform, ibahagi ang aking kwento at inspirasyon. At maraming salamat PMPC Star Award sa pagkilala nito. At
trending. Curious lang ako kasi trending sensation, PMPC. Ito ba yung dahil sa issue nung kay Mark Heras? PMPC o kay Rainier Castillo? Anyway, ang dami ko hong pinagdaanan po at lahat po nitong masakit o masaya sa social media. Pinagpapasalamat ko po sa Panginoon kasi marami ho akong natutunang bagay.
Here, tawagin natin ang representative mula sa Bicol Plus, kasama ang PMPC past president and overall chairman na si Mr. Fernando Guzman.
Mel Ramos.
Si Mr. John Fontanilla. Good evening, guys. Can we have our presenters on stage? And now we shall award our male and female face of the night.
Love Is, Caught in His Arms, GMA7. Larkin Castor, Manupo Legacy, The Flower Sisters, GMA7. John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7. Ethan David, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5. Vince Maristella, Love Before Sunrise, GMA7. Christoph Samaru, One for All for One, INC TV. Aiden Veneracion, Royal Blood, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Secretary Jimmy Escala. And the star for Best New Male TV Personality goes to John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi po na kilala sa akin, can I introduce myself again?
Of course, brother.
Kambal po pala ako ni Joshua Garcia. Ay! May joke lang po. Ako po pala si John Clifford, isa po sa mga bagong aktor ng GMA. And 2 years ago, binigyan po ng opportunity ng Pepito Manaloto so I can portray my first ever character, which is Jacob. Ako po yung unang boyfriend ni Clarissa. And ngayon, I got recognized for it. Super thankful. Maraming salamat po. I share this award first and foremost with God. Nagpapasalamat po sa blessing na ito. Siyempre sa supportive ko na family na andito ngayon. Yes, and siyempre sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center, maraming salamat po sa guidance. And lastly, sa PMPC, maraming salamat po. This award will motivate me to do better and strive for more awards in the future. Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Now for our next trophy is for the Best New Female TV Personality. And the nominees are...
Best New Female TV Pipe, Charlie Fleming, Royal Blood, GMA7. Atasha Mulak, EAT, TV5. Ashton Olvida, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5.
And the star goes to...
Senior High TV5 A2Z.
Congratulations, Jella. Dito makatayo.
Presenting the award.
Presenting the award is PMPC former president and current board member Romel Gonzalez.
This is crazy. I don't have anything prepared because I really didn't expect this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't know what to say, but thank you so much, PMPC, for this. Kasi, senior high means a lot to me. Jello, Elijah, also was one of my co-actors there, and we were just talking about it a while ago, how it was such a time in our lives, it was an amazing time in our lives talaga, kasi bilang yung cast po, naging solid na magkaibigan po kami, so I really owe this to you guys, my cast, my fellow cast members. Thank you so much. I was new in the industry, pressured by everything, especially as a Nepal baby. It was a lot of pressure, but I really want to thank everyone who believed in me, Dreamscape Entertainment, Sir Teo and Janal, who believed in me since day one and hanggang ngayon di ko po alam bakit, pero nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa kanya every day until now. So I really owe this to Sir Teo, Dreamscape, and of course ABS-CBN, thank you so much, Tita Cory, Direct Lauren, for believing in me, Tita Monch, my manager at the Shar, for always having my back. There's so many people to thank, but I don't want to take your time. But yeah, I really am just so grateful. I know that there's so much more room for improvement. I really want to grow so much as an actress, so this really means a lot to me. And yeah, to my family, thank you so much. I'm sorry. My family, my mom, thank you for supporting me. She was also part of the show, so she always had my back while we were taping that. My dad, and of course my siblings, Kuya and Ate, and of course Chavi. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. There's so many things I want to say, but yeah, that's it. I'm just so grateful, and I can't wait to give more, do more, and really learn more. So yeah, maraming salamat po ulit, PMPC. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jels, here. So, we shall start with this first category. Mahirap malaman kung sino ang talagang umangat dahil mahusay at tunay na award-winning ang kanilang mga performances. We shall begin with the Best Drama Supporting Actor. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actor, John Arcelia, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Christopher De Leon, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Baron Geisler, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Joel Lamangan, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Christopher Martin, Mga Lihim ni Urduha, GMA 7. Joel Torre, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z.
Bigat na ako. Good luck sa'yo. Uwi na lang ako. Ladies and gentlemen, the star for Best Drama Supporting Actor goes to... You wanna read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, PMPC Past President, Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, PMPC, for the surprise. Akala ko mag-host lang ako ngayon, pero may pag-ganito pala. So thank you, PMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng PMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff, Ate Gian, Cornerstone Entertainment. And ginawa ko to panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko to sa kanya para sa JM. Thank you po.
Also mag-represent naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for
Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA 7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA 7. Cherry Pie Pikachu, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA 7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, TV5 A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to Miss Cherry Pie Pikachu, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pai.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bacud.
Ayan. Sa wakas. No, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari eh. I'm always nominated. Pero bihira. Ayaw niyo akong pagsalita. First time.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picache.
Ayun nga, sa wakas. Nasinulit talaga. Hindi, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira akong manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape, and to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group, Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support, always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na binibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ako, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mong malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Yes, sir, Lord. We love you and congratulations.
By an actor. Benjamin Alves, magpakilanman. Mister na walang misis, GMA 7. Martin Del Rosario, magpakilanman. Almost a Champion, The Nenerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA 7. Kokoy De Santos, magpakilanman. A Son's Promise, The Kokoy De Santos Story, GMA 7. Gabby Eigenman, magpakilanman. Mana sa Inang Ama, GMA 7. Edgar Allan Guzman, magpakilanman. Love Times 3, The Joel and April Riedel Love Story, GMA 7. Alden Richards, magpakilanman sa puso at isipan. The Cantillana Family Story, GMA 7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right. And the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailangan sa puso at isipan, the Cantillana Family Store GMA 7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Check. Tama ka na, Roby. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to, of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakailanman, of course, Kuya Senate Gwen, who's here, my director, Direct Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode. I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like. And one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC and good evening.
Alright, and the star for the best single performance by a lead actress goes to Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
Thank you. And thank you PMPC Star Awards for this Best Single. Ang sarap namin, wait lang. Best Single Performance by an Actress. Actress na ako! Oh my God! And lahat, ilan ko yata sa inyo, alam niyo na, first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy 7 hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interest sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa akin role o trabaho, sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling Kaya ninamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding, maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors, lahat, co-actors, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking home network, mulat sa pool na tumuntong ako sa showbiz industry, ang GMA7. Maraming salamat ang Sparkle family, ang PPL family, at higit sa lahat sa pamilya ko na si Arthur Solinap na asawa ko na lagi nakakakita na minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh, naglalakad tayo sa mall, bakit mukha kang warrior maglakad? So, may method ko na minsan at syempre sa anak kong si Shiloh, anak para sa ito. And maraming salamat po magpakailanman. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you, congratulations!
Maraming salamat.
But before we start, hindi kasi ako makakatulog pag di ko to sabihin. Di ko na pasalamatan yung dad ko.
Go! Nagyari na akin dito.
So, again, thanks also to my dad. Okay, that's it. Thank you! Papapakita na more So next, sa pinaka-aabang natin ito, next set of awards natin. Kung mahigpit ang labanan sa drama actor and actress, ganun din sa kategoryang Best Male and Female Host. Sino nga ba ang pinaka-umangat sa lahat ng nominado?
Alam mo mga patikan rin, karamihan ng mga nominado. Kaya ika na, police making, galing, talento na pinaharang sa meron kailangan para manaig sa kategorya.
Awardees, sisimulan natin yan sa Best Primetime Drama Series. At alam kong ito na ang isa sa mga pinaka-hinihintay nating kategorya.
For Best Primetime TV Series, Can't Buy Me Love, TV5 A to Z, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z, Maria Clara at Ibarra, GMA7, Royal Blood, GMA7, Senior High, TV5 A to Z, Unbreak My Heart, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Secretary Jimmy Escala. The star for Best Primetime TV Series goes to Maria Clara Ibarra, GMA7.
From the team of Maria Clara Ibarra from GMA Network, maraming salamat po sa PMPC sa pagfinalo ito. Salamat.
Congratulations po ulit. And now it's time to award the Best TV Station. This television station that has consistently delivered excellence across all genres, demonstrating unparalleled commitment to quality programming, innovative content, and a deep connection with its audience. The much coveted star for Best Television Station. Here are the nominees.
For Best TV Station, A to Z, All TV, CNN Philippines, GMA7, GTV, IBC 13, INC TV, Knowledge Channel, Net25, PTV4, TV5, UNTV 37.
And the star for the Best Television Station goes to GMA7. Congratulations. Presenting the award is PMPC President Mel P. Navarro.
Good evening po. Ako po si JC Rubio, Senior Program Manager from Public Affairs and also Creative Producer from GMA Pictures. But I represent the entire network po. Thank you so much for choosing us as the TV Station of the Year. I share this with the entire Kapuso Network family. Rian and the rest of our artists na nandito pa. Tito Boy, nandito ka pa ba? Rochelle, lahat po ng taga-GMA na nandito para sa atin po ito. To our bosses, officers, sa lahat po ng staff, hosts, and crew ng GMA7. Asahan niyo po that this will inspire us to create more programs that will resonate with the Filipinos. Thank you so much, PNPC.
And next is for the Best Drama Act, 50,000 pesos mula sa Bingo Plus. Here are the nominees for Best Drama Actor.
Joshua Garcia, Unbreak My Heart, GMA 7. Ruru Madrid, Black Rider, GMA 7. Coco Martin, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5, A to Z. Zanjo Marudo, Dirty Linen, TV5, A to Z. Donnie Pangilinan, Can't Buy Me Love, TV5, A to Z. Dennis Trillo, Maria Clara at Ibarra, GMA 7.
And the star for Best Drama Actor goes to Joshua Garcia, Unbreak My Heart, GMA 7. Presenting the award is PMPC former President and 37 Star Awards for TV Overall Chairman Fernando Guzman.
Wow. Okay. Magandang gabi po. Hindi ko na mapatagalin. Papasalamat lang ako. Maraming salamat. Una sa Panginoon and to my family, friends, and thank you rin sa ABS-CBN, sa GMA, sa bosses namin sa ABS-CBN, Sir Carlos, Sir Mark, and of course, kay Tita Cory, and sa Star Magic. Thank you rin, Direk Loren. And of course, maraming salamat sa nagtiwala sa akin at nagbigay sa akin ng role na to. Kay Sir Teo Entrenan, maraming salamat. And sa mga co-actors ko, tulad ng sabi ni Miss Cherry kanina, hindi niya matatanggap yung award kung hindi dahil sa mga kasama niya. So same din, hindi ko matatanggap tong award na to only dahil sa mga co-actors ko. So thank you rin kila Jody, Gabi, Babached, at sa of course sa aming director and writers, Direk Manny, Direk Tali, maraming salamat din. At ang award na ito ay para sa buong team ng Unbreak My Heart. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Love Before Sunrise, GMA 7. Andrea Brillantes, Senior High, TV5, A to Z. Barbie Forteza, Maria Clara at Ibarra, GMA 7. Janine Gutierrez, Dirty Linen, TV5, A to Z. Rian Ramos, Royal Blood, GMA 7. Jody Santa Maria, Unbreak My Heart, GMA 7. Jillian Ward, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA 7.
Here we go. The star for the Best Drama Actress goes to Rian Ramos, Royal Blood, GMA 7. Presenting the award on stage is PMPC President Mel Navarro.
Kinabahan ako kasi, actually kinakabahan pa rin ako. Lalo na nung kanina, nung medyo special awards, sabi ko, oh no, I'm not going home. But thank you so much. What a great evening full of surprises. Well, first of all, I want to dedicate this to my home network, GMA, to whom I have dedicated 19 years of my life, and I will continue to dedicate every good thing that comes to me. Thank you so much, GMA, for the trust that you put in me. I want to thank my management, of course, for always encouraging me, guiding me, and grounding me. Most importantly, thank you so much, Michael Uicoco, Iko Carrion, and with me every single day. The only reason why I can function properly at taping, Rachel Librado, my handler. Thank you so much. I want to thank my boyfriend who always encourages me also and makes me believe that I'm great and that I can do things. Thank you. Of course, my family, my mom and my sister and my dad who have encouraged me throughout the years, even if they know that it's a crazy business. Yes, and of course, I want to go on to thank every part of Royal Blood and all of the people who are responsible for making me a part of the show, who encouraged me that I can do a role like this, even if I didn't think I could in the beginning. So thank you, Miss Helen, Miss Regine, Miss Cheryl, and of course, Sir RJ, who wrote Royal Blood and constantly gave me flaming hoops to jump through all the time. Thank you. Of course, our director, Dominic Zapata, Aya Tupasio. Thank you so much. Miss Winnie, Miss Katie, who led our team, and I would also like to thank all of my castmates who made the job easy. It was actually, they thought it was a hard role, but I had the easiest and funnest time doing it. So thank you to all of my castmates. And lastly, I hope I didn't forget anyone, but lastly, I want to thank Ruth Alvarez, who is our acting coach. I would eat an e-base if she told me to. And I really feel that it's not really knowing what I'm doing that got me this award. It's the acceptance that I really don't know what I'm doing and I will follow any instruction given to me. So I guess all I'm saying is be humble, and that's what truly gets you places. So thank you so much. Yes, I know. Yes, Direct Dominic. Ayun. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you to all of you. And I am so grateful and do not take this for granted. Thank you so much.